Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. In today's video, since a lot of you have been asking on how to remove the front bumper, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to remove the front bumper. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove these 4 screws that attach the front wheel well skirt to the side of the bumper. You'll need to do this on both sides of the car. Next thing you need to do is remove the T27 torque bolt attaching the upper corner of the bumper to the fender. This needs to be done on both sides of the car as well. Disconnect the parking sensor connector located under the car behind the front bumper on the passenger side, left-hand drive cars. Oops. Remove the clip that secures the wire to the frame of the car. While under the car, remove the indicated 3 buttons that hold the bottom of the wheel well skirt to the front underbody guard. While under the car, using a T27 Torx bit, remove the 17 Torx screws that hold the front underbody guard and the bottom of the front bumper. Remove the front underbody guard and set it aside. Using a suitable tool so as not to scratch the cover, remove the 4 buttons and then remove the cover. There are 2 more buttons that need to be removed on each side, just above the headlight assembly. Using a T55 Torx short extension and a ratchet, remove the 6 bolts holding the top of the bumper to the frame. With extreme care, you'll want to push down on the fender and pull up on the bumper. You'll also want to use a suitable tool so you don't scratch the headlight assembly, bumper, or fender. This needs to be done on both sides of the bumper. Using utmost care, pull the bumper from the clip on the fender. This must be done on both sides of the bumper. The bumper is ready to remove. With some help, remove the bumper and put it in a safe location. The installation procedure is reverse of the removal procedure. And that is how to remove the front bumper on a Maserati Ghibli. Thanks for watching.